Hello children. So today we'll start with the what we studied in the last class. We solved the exercise number 1.1, right? Everyone remember all those things, how to form the smallest number and how to form the largest number, as well as the if they given us some restriction, means 8 must be in a 100th place or a 1 must be in a 1's place, like that. Okay, if they given like that also you can do all the numbers. Okay, number formation you know, even up to 12th, even 12th question mobile number you formed. Okay, I hope everyone understood the all the problems up to 12th. So next we'll move to the reading and writing and identifying the large numbers. Okay, so now reading and writing and identify the large numbers. Okay, so how to read the large number as well as the how to read and how to write the larger number. Okay, and everyone know what is the largest one digit number. Largest one digit number, you have to know all these things. Largest one digit number, that is 9. Okay, next smallest two digit number. What is the smallest two digit number? Shall I write like here only? Okay, smallest two digit number, that is nothing but a 10. Okay, I hope everyone are not seeing. Wait, I'll make to show you. See here, smallest two digit number is a 10 and largest one digit number is a 9. Okay, next largest two digit number. Two digit number is 99 and smallest two digit number is what here? 100. Smallest 3 digit. Okay, so largest one digit number is 9, largest two digit number is 99, largest 3 digit number is, if it is a 3 digit, then what is the answer? 999. And the smallest 4 digit number, what is the smallest 4 digit number? 1000. So 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Like that you have to do. Okay, and so on. You can continue up to how much you want, you can do all those things. Okay, so here largest one digit number is 9 and largest two digit number is 99 and largest 3 digit number is 999 and the smallest two digit number is a 10 and the smallest 3 digit number is a 100 and the smallest 4 digit number is a 1000. Okay, getting my point everyone? Okay, so next one is we'll see the Indian system of numeration. Everyone know this, but still I am telling once again. Okay, Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Okay. So in that, what are the things are there? We have here first, I'll write this block only. Okay, everyone open page number 5. Everyone open page number 5. In that they given here, first one is here in a ones and again here thousands. Okay, so next one is a lakhs. And after that here crores. Okay, so next below that again here we'll make a other parts. Okay, so this one like this and again in a ones they given a ones and tens hundreds. Okay. So next they given here a thousands, and here is a 10,000s. Thousands as well as the 10,000. Next one is a lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore, 10 crore. Crores, and here is a 10 crores. Okay, so this is the Indian system of numeration, and they given an example here. How many zeros for the ones here? There is a only one, no zeros. Next 10 is 1 0, 100 is 2 zeros, 1000 is 3 zeros, 10,000 is 4 zeros. Okay, after lakh, for lakh, how many zeros? 5 zeros. For 10 lakhs, 6 zeros. Okay, for crores, 7 zeros. For 10 crores, 8 zeros. Okay, so this is the example for this one. See here. Okay, so this is what we call as the Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Okay, so first we have a ones, tens, next hundreds, thousands. In a ones place we have a ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, in a thousands we have a thousand as well as a 10,000. In a lakh we have a lakh as well as a 10 lakh, and in crores 10 crores is there. Okay, I'll give you an example here. Okay, so this is a bigger number. How to put a commas for the Indian numeration? For Indian, as per Indian numeration, we have to put a comma after first 3 numbers. 3 numbers, then 2 numbers. Indian, as per a Indian system of a numeration, first we have to put the comma after the 3 numbers. First we have to put the comma after the 3 numbers. Don't go this side. Okay, you have to come from this side only. Okay, you have to come from the left side only. Don't go the right side. You have to take that commas from the left side. Okay, so first after 1, 2, 3. After 3 numbers I am putting a comma here. Okay, next first only starting we put a comma after 3 numbers. Okay, after this comma we have to put the comma for 2 numbers. All the 4 2 numbers. Okay, so now 7 8, and I am putting again comma here. Now 6 5, again putting a comma. If there is a 2, only one single digit is there, then it's okay, leave, that doesn't matter. But we have to put the only for 2 numbers one comma. But starting only we have to take a 3 numbers. That is as per Indian system of a numeration. Please keep it in your mind. This is called as the Indian system of a numeration. Next we'll move to the international system of a numeration. Okay, so this is only for the Indian system of a numeration. Okay, it's for only our country. Okay, India. So Indian system of a numeration is like this. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay, how to read this number? See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here 2 crore 56 lakh 78,958. How to write this number? 2 crore 56 lakh 56 lakhs 958. So this is the number name. Okay, 2 crore 56 lakhs 78 count the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, like that you have to count. Okay, so here is a 1000, 10,000, here is a lakh and 10 lakh, after that crore is there. So for this number, what is the number we have to give here? 2 crore. Okay, because in a crores place the which number is there? 2 is there, so it means 2 crore 56 lakhs 78,958, like that we have to do. Getting everyone? 2 crore 56 lakhs 78,958. Like that we have to read the larger numbers. Okay, so next we'll move to the international system of a numeration. International system of a numeration. And one more thing I'll show here only, that is the expanded form. I'll show here. Where I'll show here. Okay, so this is the, now we'll show the expanded form. Expanded form for the this Indian system of a numeration. Okay, so this is our example. So I given this as the example here. Okay, so this is our number and how to put the commas also I told here, and I even written the number name here, 2 crore 56 lakh 78,958. Like this we have to write the number name, and after that what is the expanded form of this number? They will ask. What is the expanded form of this number? I hope everyone did in a 5th standard only. Okay. So what is? But you did in a only smaller. For smaller numbers you already did. But here is a bigger number. This. Okay. Nothing to worry. Just we are adding the zeros for that. Only that is the matter here. So we'll do expanded form of this number. That is nothing but 2 into, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to put the 7 zeros. Okay. So next addition symbol. Next 5 into 6 zeros. Next 6 into 5 zeros. Plus 7 into, how many zeros? 4 zeros. Plus 8 into 3 zeros, plus 9 into 2 zeros, plus 5 into 10, last number is 8. Okay, here there is a no place, that's why I am writing a below in that. Okay, so you have to write all the numbers in a single line only. Okay, write this expanded form in a single line only. Okay, don't write as a step by step. This is not the method. So here is a no place, that's why I am writing a below that. Okay, so you have to write in a single line. That is the expanded form. Okay, if you want to write like this, then you can write. This is your textbook method. I am giving one more method, that is how to write the expanded form. Instead of writing a 2 into this much, 2 into 1 crore, instead of that write out 2 crore only. 2, because we have multiplied 2 into this much means what? 2 ones are 2, and after that how many zeros are there? You have to write that much zeros. Okay, that is nothing but all the same values only. So here I am going to write here, that is a 2 crore plus 50 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 900 plus 50 plus 8. So this is also correct, this is also correct. Whatever the method you are getting easy, then you have to follow that method only. Okay, if you want to write like this, write, or if you want to write like this, you can write, but both are correct, and for both you will get the marks. Getting my point? These both are the expanded form of this number only. So write this method or this method, both are correct. Choose anyone, whatever the Okay, so this is also correct, this is also correct. Both are correct. Don't worry about that. Okay, so this is all about the Indian system of numeration. Next we'll move to the international system of numeration. Okay, I hope everyone understood the Indian system of numeration. So next we'll move to the international system of numeration. International system of numeration. Okay. International system of numeration. International system of numeration. In that, see here, again same is there. Open everyone page number 6. You will come to know that here ones, thousands, and next one is millions. Okay. In that again, so this is the international system of numeration here. Okay, so this is the international system of numeration. In that they given here, this is the ones and this is the thousands. I'll give you hint, all the explanation I will give later here. Just you observe the box, whatever they given here. Okay, so in that again they make here 3 columns, that is the same ones, tens and hundreds. Hundreds. Okay. So next one they given here in thousands. They given here. First one is thousands, and here is a 10,000s, and next hundreds thousands. 100,000s. Okay. So next in a million, again they given here. Million is nothing but a what here? Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. 3 columns. Millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. 100 millions. Okay, so that is the difference is here. Observe everyone, ones, thousands, millions. Okay, whatever the in a Indian system of numeration they given here are ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. But here only ones, thousands, millions, like that. Okay, and again in a ones nothing will change. Even in a Indian system of numeration also they will be here ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so this part nothing will change here. In the both they are same. Next thousands, thousand, 10,000s. In a Indian system of numeration only thousands and 10,000s are there. 100,000s not there. In a international system of numeration 100,000s is there. This is adding in a thousands for the international system. But in Indian system it is not there. Only thousands, 10,000s is there. But 100,000 is not there. Okay, carefully observe everyone. Otherwise you will not understand anything. If you understand all the international system of numeration as well as the Indian system of numeration, then only you can solve the exercise number 1.1 without help of teacher. Okay, without help of a teacher you can solve the 1.2 also. Otherwise, if you are not understanding the international system of numeration as well as the Indian system of numeration, then you are unable to solve the 1.2. So please be concentrate here. What are the things I am going to tell here? So please listen here properly. Then you can easily solve all the problems. Getting my point? I hope everyone clear compare with the Indian system of a numeration, right? So I am just giving the international system of a numeration explanation here. So please be concentrate and compare the Indian system of a numeration as well as the international system of a numeration. Compare Indian system of a numeration, okay, as well as the international system of a numeration. Okay, so then only we will conclude that what are the difference in both the system of a numeration. Then if anybody asks you any question, then you are able to answer for that, right? If without knowing this theory part, how can you answer that, right? And don't behead the answers, okay? Just you have to understand the topic, okay? Then whatever the number they may be give, you will able to answer. Otherwise, you will not ready to answer for that. Okay. So please be concentrate here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next one is the thousands. Here is a 100,000s also there in an international system of a numeration. But in Indian system of a numeration, no. Only thousands, 10,000s are there. Not these 100,000s are not there in a Indian system of a numeration. Next we will move to the millions. Instead of millions, what is the thing in the Indian system of numeration? We have a lakhs. After the thousands, we have a lakhs and crores. But here, no lakh, no crores. But here only we have a millions. Instead of a lakh and crore, they made a one word million. Okay, because this is called as the international system of a numeration. In Indian system of a numeration, crores as well as the lakhs is there, but in international system of numeration only millions are there. In that again millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, again 3 part, here also 3 part. But in thousand, 2 part, lakhs 2 part and crores 2 part. Like that we have in a Indian system of a numeration. But here international system of a numeration is there. So here we are having 100,000s and millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Right? Can I write in the Indian system of numeration these values? Okay. Just to get the difference between those two, I am giving the clarity here. Okay. But don't write, only write it in a HW like this. Okay. Don't write all these things in a CW. See, I am telling here 10,000 up to this much. This is the Indian system of a numeration only. Here nothing will change, right? This is the Indian system of a numeration. Okay. Up to this much nothing is changed. Same process. Okay. So next here they given a 100,000. Instead of 100,000, what we are going to write here, that is a lakh. Okay. And million is nothing but a 10 lakh. Okay, and 10 millions is nothing but a crore, and 100 millions is nothing but a 10 crore. Getting the difference here? Getting everyone the difference here? See here, 100,000 is nothing but a lakh. In an Indian system of a numeration, we call it as a lakh, and a million is nothing but a 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to a 10 lakh, and 10 millions is equal to a crore. 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore, 10 millions, and after that 100 millions is nothing but a what? 10 crore. 100 millions is nothing but a 10 crore. So these are the Indian system of a numeration, and above are the international system of a numeration. Getting everyone? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Up to this much, that is the Indian system of a numeration. There is nothing change, okay? But in an international system of a numeration, in a thousands only they are having 100,000s. 100,000s means that is nothing but a lakh here. In India, it is lakh. Okay? And after that, millions. 1 million is nothing but a what? 10 lakh in India. Okay? But for international system of numeration is nothing but a million. In an international system, it is a million. But in our India, that is nothing but a 10 lakh. Okay? So next one is a 10 millions. 10 millions is nothing but a what here? 1 crore. 10 millions is nothing but a 1 crore. Next 100 millions is nothing but a 10 Getting my point? Everyone understanding? I am, see here, whatever I am saying, please be concentrate and understand the difference between the Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration. Otherwise you are unable to read the number as well as you are unable to write the number name. Okay, so next we'll move to the how to write the this international system of a number as well as the how to put the commas for that and how to write the number name for that. I'll give only one example here. See, that is in your textbook only they given here. Okay, fine. 38,941,000. Okay. Shall I rub this? Shall I rub this or write here only? That is the example is. Okay, something already in textbook they given one example. Please read that. But I'll give here another example. Okay, that is a 5. Okay, like this. Whatever the number you can take. But in Indian system, how can we put the commas here? First, after 3 numbers, we'll put a comma, right? In an Indian system of enumeration, I am telling. First, after the 3 numbers, we'll put a 1 comma. After that, for 2 numbers, we'll put the comma. But here, it is an international system of enumeration. So that's why we have to put a comma for all after the 3 numbers. Here, no 2 numbers. All are 3 numbers only. So here, after 3 numbers, I already put a comma. And next, after 3 numbers, again I am putting a comma here. So now, here only 2 numbers left. It's okay. If there is another one number is there, then we can. Okay, so here nothing to do that. So 6. How to read this number? Ones, thousands, millions is there. So we can read as 85 millions. 85 millions. Whatever the number is there right here, we have to read like this. If it is a 82 or if it is a 200, then 200 millions, like that we have to read. Okay, so 85 millions 567,685. Getting my point? 85 millions 576,000. Sorry, 67, right? It is. Wait. So it is a 67 thousands. Next 685. 685. Okay. So 85. This 85 millions. This 85 millions 567,567,000. Next 685. 85 millions 567,685. Like that we have to read the numbers as well as we have to write that only. Okay, so 85 millions 567,685. Okay, so and homework is just write the Indian system of enumeration as well as the international system of enumeration, both the columns using a see your textbook page number 5 and page number 6. They given that only international system of enumeration as well as the Indian system of enumeration. You have to write with the two example. For Indian system of enumeration, you have to give a 2 example and international also 2 example and write the number name also. That is the homework for you people. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Up to that, take care everyone. Be safe in your home. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.